know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Heather and my channel is all about my weight loss journey. So today I'm doing a grocery haul. I went to Trader Joe's and then I needed a couple things at Target. I did not find jerk seasoning. I needed jerk seasoning for a crock pot meal that I'm making this week. For some reason, Target doesn't have jerk seasoning, so I'm going to have to use Cajun seasoning and hope for the best. So let's get started. I am going to start with frozen items because I need to get them in the freezer. All right, so I got 2 boxes of Yasso bars. I got the butter pecan. I love these. These are amazing. Only 100 calories per bar. It's a great snack for in the summer especially. I got some shrimp burgers. These aren't actually for me. I got these for my mom. My mom loves shrimp burgers and I told her I got some and she's like, what? You know I love them, so I got her some and I'll give these to her. Next, I got some salmon burgers. I have not seen these before. I'm sure they're not new, but I plan on grilling these. All right, and I got some more hamburger buns. I got some bananas. I got cucumbers. I'm gonna have these for snacks. I'm going to have these with some hard-boiled egg whites and this dill pickle hummus. I don't normally like hummus, however, I really like dill pickles, so I'm gonna dunk these cucumbers in some dill pickle hummus and I hope I like it. I got eggs for my snacks. Luna. Sorry, Luna is playing with her little toy if you hear anything in the background. I got some more corn on the cob. I got some chicken breasts. I am going to make some crock pot jerk chicken with mango avocado salsa. I found the recipe in the SkinnyTaste book, so that's what I am making for the week. Got some cilantro, and I got 4 bags of salad kits because I like easy and I like variety, so this is perfect.
That's what she said.
That's my joke. Damn it, Dwight.
So I got a coleslaw kit, a Southwestern chopped salad kit. I have not tried this before, yellow curry chopped salad. And then again, I got this last week, I got the Buffalo Ranch chopped salad. I got this everything but the elote seasoning. I'm going to top my hard-boiled eggs with this and probably my corn as well. Red onion. I got a mango for the mango avocado salsa. I got an orange for the chicken and an avocado. Then at Target, I got some water again. I got ginger peach and strawberry mango. And then I got cat food and dog food. So that's it for today. I'm gonna put my groceries away and start meal prepping. It is Sunday, so it's meal prep Sunday. I gotta get going on that. I slept in a little this morning, so I'm a little behind schedule. It's 11:30 right now. Gotta get cooking. Thanks so much for coming to my channel and watching my video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
The way my hands feel on your body.